Hi, good morning. Today I am going to tell you a short story. This story is about a 12-year-old kid and his grandfather. One day the kid was speaking to his grandfather and he asked a question. He asked, "Grandfather, who is more powerful? The man who has got the telescope and can see far away objects closer, or the man who has got the microscope and can see objects which are not visible to the eyes?" Grandfather smiled and he said, "Son, none of these people are powerful." The child was quite perplexed and then he asked, "Then who is powerful?" He said, "Son, the man who has one eye on the microscope and the other eye on the telescope is the one who is powerful, because he can see all the distant object without losing the sight of what is near to him." There is a big learning in this particular story which I took away. It's very important that we don't lose sight of our vision, long-term goals, while we are focusing on things which are short-term and urgent as well as important. Today, in this scenario where all of us are struggling at home, outside, with jobs, with our income, with the safety, health of people around us, there are so many challenges. It is so very easy to lose sight on both the long term and the short term aspect. But this is a blip which has happened, and this blip is not going to stay for the rest of our life. So we have to disconnect from this and we have to keep our focus intact when it comes to our short term goal as well as our long term goal. So my suggestion would be, don't be the person who gets disturbed by all this what is going on, but be the person who has one eye on the microscope and the other eye on the telescope. And with that, you'd be able to navigate all the issues which comes in between the two. All the very best to you. Thank you.